Today I'm going to show you how to integrate add-ins in Outlook. So what we're going to do here on the top left is go into File. From File, we are going to go down to Options, and we are going to look for the add-ins. Now, once you click on add-ins over here, you will see that there are a few options, okay? So these are the add-ins that are available, and you can see the name of the add-in, where it's located on your device, and then also the type. Now, if you want to see what is disabled and not available, underneath the Manage, you can use this drop-down menu and click on Disabled Items. Click on Go, and essentially it'll show you everything that is disabled here. Now, if it's disabled, all you need to do is click on it and click on Enable, and then click on this drop-down menu again, click on COM Add-ins, and click on Go. Now, this will show you everything that is enabled, but not necessarily available. Okay, so go ahead and you'll see some of these are checked and some of them are not. Now, currently the add-ins that I've got on my Microsoft Outlook is Microsoft Exchange, OneNote, Outlook Social Connector, and TeamViewer. This Microsoft Access Outlook add-in, this is not currently selected. So if you'd like to select that, go ahead, click on that, and once you're done, go ahead and click on Add. Once you've clicked on Add, you're going to go and click on OK.